A very good morning to all of you. So in continuation with this particular opium plant, today we are dealing with the different chemical constituents which are isolated from this opium poppy plant or the papaver somniferum. So this is the capsule, and this particular capsule, when it is green in color, so by making a cut in this particular capsule we can take out the latex, and from this latex we can take out the morphine, which is the main constituent, and from this morphine different chemical constituent or heroin or theanine, they can also be isolated from this particular latex. And this is the dried capsule. When we are dealing with this dried capsule, as you can see, this is the depression and it is having 8 to 16 rays. When the capsule get dried, now it is consisting of seeds, or you can say it is this particular one capsule, it is consisting of almost 200 seeds. So when we are dealing with the uses of this particular opium poppy, so it is mainly used to relieve pain. It is also used to treat cough, and it is used as sedative. So the main use, you can say, it is used as a sedative, and it is also used to relax the involuntary muscles. So when we are dealing with the main chemical constituent of this opium poppy plant or the papaver, it is consisting of morphine, papaverine and the heroin. So when we are dealing with the morphine, the main role by which the morphine is used, it will bind to the opioid receptor, and so the nerve impulses, they are not generated, and so it makes the muscles sluggish. In the same manner, when we are dealing with the papaverine, it is a smooth muscle relaxant. And when we are dealing with the heroin, so heroin, it is the main derivative, you can say, which is derived from the morphine. So the main difference between the heroin and the morphine is that the morphine, it will not cross the brain barriers, but this heroin, it will cross the brain blood barrier. And so this heroin, as it is soluble in the lipid and it can cross the blood barrier, so it acts on the limbic activity of the brain. So when we are dealing with this particular plant, so this is the capsule when it is dried in form. So this number of seeds, they can be isolated, and these seeds, they are used in food. And this is the capsule when we cut, when it is in green in color, this latex, and this part, it is used for isolation of morphine.